So what's in here is our next camping tool that we're gonna use. It's a little axe. What's this?
I don't know.
Here, you figure that out. So the reason I'm getting this is because the place we're going to, apparently you're not allowed to bring firewood, and they don't have any firewood to buy, which means we have to harvest our own wood, and I don't have an axe.
Oh, it's a sharpening stone. That's cool.
I didn't have an axe until now. Ow, it's sharp.
Stupid.
It is pretty sharp.
Do you think it wouldn't come
Whoa!
pre-sharpened?
Well, I mean, I didn't expect it to be this sharp. I knew it was going to be sharp, but like, look at that. That was so smooth. That was so clean. Let's put this away and look at the rest of the stuff. So the little baggie had this, which is apparently a sharpening stone. It's pretty cool.
Not sure what the liquid is.
I'm sure it's
Obviously not water.
No, I'm sure it's like an oil or something to put on the sharpening stone so that you are able to sharpen it easier. Let's see what else we got in here. We got a hollow tube, another hollow tube, a thing.
That's a flint stick to start a fire.
Flint and steel, like in Minecraft.
Sure.
Oh, it's down here. Ooh, breaks glass.
Don't? Please don't.
Okay. A little compass that I don't really care about. We have this thing.
That goes in the hollow one.
Does this work? Okay, I'll try in a little bit. There's really no instructions here to like how to put it together, so let's figure this out. I think this goes on here. No.
No?
Oh, well, maybe. Oh.
Sparks.
Ah.
Steel.
Hey, there we go.
Wow. I like that. That's gonna be fun.
I think. Okay.
So that's obviously the bottom.
This is for the axe. So this would have to be up here. Just cause like.
Yeah.
And then it would be knife. And then it would be other thing. So the knife. Yeah. And then other thing.
Flint.
Here we go. And then we're left with an axe. It's heavy. It's got some weight to it. Okay, so now that it's all built, I want to see how good this is for wood. So I got the axe here. We got a tree here. And I'm just going to use the axe to cut a little bit of the bark off. And then we'll see if we can get a fire started. Oh, it turned.
Oh.
Cool. Let's pick some of this up and see if we can start a fire.
Yeah.
So I've collected an assortment of wood sizes here just to test out the axe to see how good it actually is at chopping. We're going to start off with the smallest, work our way up to see where it gets stuck, if it gets stuck. So this one's going to be pretty easy. I really doubt it's going to have any issues with it, but wow, look at that. It exploded. Let's try this one. Same thing. I'm assuming, I mean, it's literally just breaking it because it's that dry. So let's skip a few of these and go up a little bit bigger. Let's try this one right here. Ah, there we go.
Well.
I'm afraid one of these is gonna jump up and hit me in the head. One more and then I'm gonna go up to the big one. Okay.
I mean, it's cutting.
It is. I mean, I'm not super surprised. It's an axe, it's sharp. I hurt myself on it, so I knew it could. There's a cut right there. I don't know what it means. I've never played with an axe before, but let's see how it does with this. I'm gonna try to cut this piece off here. What's the safest way to do this?
There probably isn't one.
All right. Okay. Now let's do this one.
Hot dang.
Missed. Hey!
Wow, that's a nice axe.
It is, but gonna cut like this. See, that's where it gets hard.
You kind of have to hit in the same spot repeatedly.
I'm trying.
Well, no, I mean, like, think about lumberjacks. When they cut down trees, they cut like a wedge out so that they can actually cut it. So, like, you're trying to do the same thing, but in a straight line. You're almost there.
Completely missed.
Hey!
Ta-da! Not a clean cut, but still a cut. Still did it. Now, forgive me if I do this wrong. I've never done it, but I'm trying to get like kindling off of this. And I know you're supposed to just like do that. Like this stuff is good, right?
I think so.
Like paper thin, just enough to start a fire. I'm gonna keep doing this until I have a relatively good pile here.
Like your wood carving.
It's gotta be enough, right?
I hope so.
Let's give it a try. All right, so got a pile of dry leaves in here. Gonna make a little bed. Put our tinder in there. And let's try,
Flint and steel work.
yeah, let's try to start it. Here we go.
Oh, oh. Hey!
Yo! Okay. I mean, it works.
Instantly, that's warm.
It's very warm.
Wow. That works really well.
Yeah.
How would you rate it?
I like it. That's how I rate it. Honestly, I mean, it does what it says it does. Like, it's relatively cheap. It cuts. You can start a fire with it easily. I've never done this before, and I was able to figure it out in like, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
I'm taking this with me.
It's going camping.
Yeah.